Usually, what's the function about this V-corner cleaning machine?
Okay, so this V-corner cleaning machine is mainly used for the V-shape welding and cross welding corner cleaning. You can just have a look here. Here is a sample after cleaning. This is the V-shape cleaning, very good result. And here is cross welding cleaning. Cross welding cleaning. Okay, actually we have our another model, the CNC corner cleaning machine, model number ACC 120. So that machine is mainly used for clean the 90-degree angle. So cannot clean this V-shape and moving welding cleaning. So this machine, this V-corner cleaning machine can clean it. That's no problem.
Right now, can you show us this machine? How is it working?
Okay. So I will ask our senior engineer, Mr. K, to show how this machine working right now. Okay. K. So, firstly, we would like to show the V welding cleaning here. Clamp first, automatically position and clamp. So actually it is already the cleaning result of this profile. You can check here the cleaning result. It's very good. So now let us change to another profile. Okay, actually, so these two profiles are totally different, but we can start cleaning this profile without any changing. It will automatically location and then finish the corner cleaning of this profile. So it is very easy for our operators to use this machine. Okay, here's the corner cleaning result. Okay, so now we will finish the demonstration for this corner cleaning machine.
As we all know, we ever had a older V-corner cleaning machine.
Yes.
So can you tell us what's the difference between older and new model?
Okay, actually compared with the old model corner cleaning machine, this new model corner cleaning machine model number NVCC 120 has the four points advantages for this machine. So firstly, compared with the old model, this corner cleaning machine is using the PLC control. So it is really accurate positioning. For the old model, they are just using the cylinder control. So maybe you have to do some adjustment, and the location is not very good. So for this PLC control, it will greatly improve the processing quality. This is the first point for the PLC control. And the second point I would like to see is about the auto location. As what you have seen just now, we already demoed this machine for you. For this NVCC 120 can recognize the different profiles and then automatic positioning the profiles. So you no need to do any adjustment or any others. It will automatically clamp the profile and the position. So it will it is very easy for the operation and reduce your time to do the adjustment. This is the second point. And the third point, for this profile can automatically adjust, can be the cutters can be adjusted according to the profile height and width automatically. So you no need to do any adjustment manually by your operators. So this point will also help you to save a lot of time to do adjustment for the different profile height and width. So this is the third point. The fourth point is about our working table. You can check here for this machine equipped with the really big work table. As you know, if we clean the V-shape or the cross welding, so this kind of profile, this kind of window, they must have the mulling. So this means this window must be very big. So if you do not have this kind of working table, maybe you need two persons. One person is operating and another person must hold the profiles and to keep some moving and no moving for the profile. But if you are using this working table, it is very easy for you to load the profiles and finish the conic linear of this profile. So this is the 4 point of this V conic linear machine. Okay.
Okay, thanks for